Good morning students. We are continuing lesson number 5 special effects in PowerPoint 2013. Children, last time we studied about the slide transition effects. Slide transition effects are the motion effects that occurs when we move from one slide to other slide during the slide show. When we change the slide, that time we see the slide transition effects in our presentation, and also we can control the speed of transition. We can also add sound effects with the transition effects. We can apply different transition effects for different slides. In transition tab, we will see that there are various types of transitions are available. We can select any transition effect for our slide. Children, when we select transition from transition to the slide group, we find out that in the right side there is a effects option, and it provides various types of options related with the specific effects. We can apply these options. Timings groups. There is a timings group that provide various types of options like sound. With the help of sound button, we can set sounds with our transition effects. We can set the duration, time for the transition effect that occurs. We can use apply to all button to set the same transition effect for all the slides. In advanced slide options, we can choose on mouse click, or after timing we can set. After that the slide will change and transition will also occur. Adding action buttons. Children, in our presentation, if we like, we can also use action buttons. What is the meaning of action buttons? When we click on the action buttons, they do some actions. They can open other slides, they can open other softwares, they can open the websites. So we can use action button in our presentation to make it more effective, attractive, and we can take any shape, text, images as an action button. So whenever we click or when we hover our mouse pointer over the button, it open any program, or also we can just open other slides of the same PowerPoint presentation. To set an action, we first of all take a shape like arrow, then we will just click to the insert, and there is a links group. On that there is a action button. Children, we will click on the action button. When we click on action button, action settings dialog box comes. In that we will choose hyperlink to option, and when we click on it, it shows various sub options like next slide, previous slide, and show slides, number on which slide we want to just go, URL, address of websites, other PowerPoint presentations we like to open, other files of other softwares. We can select any one and we will click on a OK button. Suppose if we have select slide, then it will shows various slides that are available in our presentation. We can select any slide number and we will see in preview it will show the preview of that slide we want to hyperlink, and then we will click on a OK button. This way we can just set the hyperlink with the action button, and whenever we start our PowerPoint presentation in slideshow, we can use that action button. Viewing in the presentation. Children, there are different types of views we can use to see our presentation, and every view has its own advantages. By default, we work with the normal view. There are normal view, slide sorter view we can use, notes page view we can use, reading view is there, outline view is there. We can use all these views to see our presentation before actually running in slide show. Now, how can we just access these views? We will see that on the status bar, just left side of zoom setting, there are views button, and with the help of these button we can just quickly open our presentation in a different views. Second way is the use of view tab. In view tab there is a presentation view group, and on that various view buttons are available. With the help of them we can change the view of our presentation. First we discuss about the normal view. Children, as I told you, it is a default view, and all the editing we do in the normal view. We design our presentation, we also write the contents, we create the slides, edit the slides. Also, if you like, we can also rearrange our slides. We can change the order of the slides. We can add and modify contents. We can add text, graphs, sound effects, animation, transition effects. We can set in normal view. In normal view we will see that we can see individual slide as a larger view, and in the left side we will see the thumbnail of all the slides at the same time, and thumbnail views are used to switch between the slides. And also in the notes pane that is coming at the bottom, we can type the notes also. See children, this is the normal view, you can see. Next is a slide sorter view. This view displays the miniature view of all the slides. What is the advantage of slide sorter view? It is used to rearrange our slides, organize our slides. We will see the complete presentation slides in the form of miniature view. We can just drag them and change their position. We can copy and move the slides. We can insert or delete the slides. And when we click on any slide, we will see there is a thick border coming around the slide, that is a current or selected slide. Next is notes page view. Children, this view is available on the view group. There is a notes page view button. We will click and we will start notes page view. In this view we will see that it displays only image of the slide with the text box. Text box is used to add the notes related to the slide, and every slide has its own notes page. Children, as normally when we do some work, written work, and that time if we write the notes, sometimes we write the reference. Same work if you want to do while creating a presentation, we can use a notes page view. In notes page view we can write the notes, some reference regarding the slide content, and these notes are helpful when we are presenting the information in front of audience. We can take the printout of these notes. When we run our presentation in a slideshow, these notes are not visible to the audience. So these notes are also helpful while we are presenting the presentation. Next is reading view. Children, reading view is used to finally view our presentation. When we want to view the presentation not in a full screen slideshow view, but in a window with some controls, we use reading view. And we can easily exit from the reading view by pressing the escape key. Next is the outline view. Children, outline view shows only content of the slides like title, subtitle, text we have typed. And when we choose outline view from the view tab, we will see that in the left side pane the outline view of each slide is coming. We can easily edit the content in the outline view. So children, these all are the views we used to view our presentation before actually running in a slide show. Thank you.